Yes, sir.
Finally, someone worthy of the slaughter. Let's go.
Hey, let's go. Listen to the round, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.
अखे बुद्धिबळ अखे बुद्धिबळ त्या शब्दांवरती भर. त्या आकड्यांच्या आपण आधीन नव्हतो कधीच. आणि हा 29 वर्षाचा घोडा चालेल चालेल तोच खेळ तोच जुना डाव, कारण तो चालू शकतो फक्त 1, 2 आणि 2.5. Cause that's how he works. Cause that's how he works. I mean, this architect designed his campaigns well, but I guess he forgot he lacks the art it takes. I'm tilted. You suck. Tilted, you suck like you're a parasite, feeding on someone else's hype. So next time when you stand before the mirror, tell Raj when you see him that you lack the accountability of your actions, just like it's 2002 and he's the ruling CM. And I would like to be on the right side of the stage, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
And I was the chosen one, and I knew it all along. I was the chosen one, and I knew it all along. So I never had to play the gamble. And soon you'll understand why I choose the right side, because even I aim for the temple. Time.
So,
Fine.
tonight I'm battling Chetan Patil.
Let's go.
Because I took out Nirvana's soul when I killed him in the last battle. Hey, yo, Astro. I was upset after you announced this battle. But rather than battling Chetan, I would go to a metro station. क्योंकि वहां दिखती मुझको ज्यादा हलचल, तेरे करियर से ज्यादा वहां लोग करते धड़पड़. I mean, what's the matter? Your soul tries to hold its state from within, but your actions look scattered. I am the focal point of this ring, and you'll feel the energy of Saturn. And the second round, you'll be like, my stars don't align. But when you connect the dots, you will see the pattern. You'll see the pattern, I mean. Yeah. So, okay, when on the second round, when you start to connect the dots, you will see the pattern. Go to the booth and take some actions. Your rap career seems to me more like an Instagram caption. कोई ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देता. पर तू नक्की आके बैठे मास्टर के क्लास में. I calm souls through my songs में ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं देता. और ये बनने चले मिस्टर ये रैपर, मिस्टर वो रैपर. ये छोटी माई का पैसा घर से मांगे ऐसा घो रैपर. ये छोटी माई का पैसा मांगे घर से ऐसा घो rappers. And they be running in circles playing co rappers. And since PMC banned plastic in the city, I see no more rappers. I mean, and the highlight of this battle, that this battle is special. Ain't nothing so special about him though, because according to Bharat Sarkar, I am the special one though. You see, it reads 48% disability. I mean, I don't even need my 100% to show my capability in front of. Because I'm proud of myself and I wear it on my chest like the pendant. I was suppressed, bullied, underestimated, but I take inspiration from my Indian sisters, so I grew independent. That's how I walk.
Let's go.
And that shit was accidental. But after this battle, you'll see how I talk. Physically weak maybe, but I'm verbally mental, and that's round one.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Yeah, that's the energy. I mean, me पण हवाचा कलाकार, I got that shit in my bone. And all the shit that I carry, bitch, that's from my own money. And I own. I don't see Shanu and Tilted hanging out. Nowadays, I don't see Shanu and Tilted hanging out. But I'll tell you why. Because Shanu wanted him to swallow and he kept spitting out. But look at this crowd. But look at this crowd. When I say something bullshit, you all go so loud. And that is the reason in the last battle some clown felt so proud. Hey yo, my words hit the core like it's a nuclear fusion. My words hit the core like it's a nuclear fusion. Till then I got a bar for you. Hit that on the other knee just to balance out the equation. And the only thing he can flex before me is his numbers. The only thing he can flex before me is his numbers. आपण वाचन कधी सोडलं नाही. आपण वाचन कधी सोडलं नाही म्हणून यांच्या करिअरहून मोठा फक्त आपला शब्दकोश. तुझ्या बुद्धीच्या पलीकडे आपली पोच. Allies with Hitler, call me Netaji boss. हेरापर सगळे वरवर. हेरापर सगळे वरवर ज्ञानाने गरीबच आणि आपले लेखन सकलच्या सह्याद्रीच्या दरीगत. हेरापर सगळे वरवर पण ज्ञानाने गरीबच आपलं लेखन सकलच्या सह्याद्रीच्या दरीगत. But I feel like Tyler Durden because as an artist I'm everything you trying to be. So I'm gonna slaughter him slow like this country's democracy. So I'm gonna slaughter him slow like this country's democracy. But you got everything. But there's only negligence towards the art. He got everything, but there's only negligence towards his art. He's talented though, but there's only negligence towards his art. Like the art is the general category and he's the law UGC. Towards the end, आपण स्वतः आखले रस्ते. हे आले छापे गिरवून आणि मी तो वर्तमान जो इतिहास टाकेल बदलून. Time.
Bro, you need to carve your future. Stop living in the past tense. And when I talk to the camera, stop moving. Fucking zero civic sense. I mean, Nirvana. सगळे म्हणे मला दादा कोणीतरी याची जिरवाना. But I appreciate one thing about you. You have grown with your music. I have charts to show. He has outgrown his music with this height, bro. Look at this. गाने से बड़ा लंबा हो गया भाई. But I am married to the game. And तेरा हो रहा घटस्फोट. Because I'm loyal to my pen and तू रहा पकड़ छोड़. And I'm saying it again. ये rapper need answer है. I mean, कोई दे दो इसको पानी बहुत हो गया. Struggle, bro. आणि एक कडू सत्य आहे. निर्वाणाला लोकांनी तेवढंच मनावर घेतलं जेवढ्या पुण्यात हेल्मेटच्या नियमाला. 2 दिवस. It's funny, you know, it's funny. फक्त 2 दिवस. But निर्वाणाला मनावर लोकांनी 2च दिवस घेतलं. जसं हेल्मेट सक्तीच्या नियमाला. But I would like to tell you, I heard you work in a school now. But तू मेरे जैसा शिक्षक बन नहीं सकता. You can definitely follow my footsteps, but तू मेरे जैसा चल नहीं सकता. तू वो दुकानदार जो देता मिसल पाव की जगह ब्रेड स्लाइस. You can get someone moving, but you can't give some good health advice. I mean, look at you. आमच्याकडे एक म्हण आहे, बॉईज ज्याचं नाही पोट तो भिकार चोर. Hindi, Marathi, English, I got all rhymes on my plate. Tilted race, got wicked ways. I'm about to stump you, motherfucker. Hey, yo, Malinga, I'm a Bumrah this shit. And break your toes for fun, motherfucker. And if you try to go down in history, wait. What rhymes with Chetan Patil? More like Phatke Khashir. And if you try to go down in history, my crew's about to jump you, motherfucker. इतिहासात कोरलेलं नाव ते कधी पण मिटणार नाही. हे शहर नसेल माझं पण मी या शहराचाच आहे. अरे किती ना दिली संधी हे बोटावर मोजू शकणार नाही. हे रस्ते शेवटी संपतील पण हे पाय कधी थकणार नाही. That's time, bro. That's time.
Let's go.
Thank you so much, boys. Thank you.
That's how you battle.
Shout out to Asal Pune. Shout out to the Pune community bar. Shout out to my brothers. Shout out to Itias family. Shout out to everyone. By Talia